Oh my God! Hey everybody, I'm Ashley, and today I'm gonna walk you through 10 tips and tricks for decorating your dorm room. I'm headed over to NYU, where Yumi is a senior RA. She reached out to me on Instagram, told me she was moving into her dorm room and could really use a makeover, and I knew I wanted to make this tips and tricks video, so it worked out pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, Yumi has a very cool dorm room and it's pretty spacious, but all of these tips and tricks can be applied to any dorm room, anywhere, no matter how much or how little space you have. Let's get started. My first tip is a shopping tip, because you can't really decorate if you don't have decor. When you're shopping, try to find stores that let you order online and then pick up the items at the location nearest to your school. I did that today. I used Target Back to College Pickup. So easy. All I have to do is show up and pick up the items. I came here to pick up what I ordered, and I already have like 6 new things in my cart. This is a really good Target too, I will say. Wait, I'll show you. Oh, I can't make the cart go sideways, but it's pretty. I dropped you. I want to get her a clean laundry hamper. You don't just need a hamper for dirty laundry, you need a hamper for clean laundry. Because if you're like me, you leave it on the bed and you don't fold it right away, and then you end up sleeping on top of your perfectly clean laundry and then it's wrinkled. So you gotta get a clean laundry hamper so that you don't do that. Boom! This cart is getting really full really fast. Tip number 3 is all about rearranging your furniture. I moved pretty much every single item in Yumi's room. The biggest change might have been taking the hutch off of the desk and using it as a bookshelf. And I tucked that in the hallway, which she wasn't really using before. It really opened up the space. I moved the bed away from the window, and then I put the couch where the desk originally was. That way she has a clear division of space. This is Yumi's area for work and sleep and relaxing, and then she has her hangout area where her residents and her friends can come have a good time. With all that furniture moving, I did sacrifice some valuable outlet real estate, and we just can't have that. So I got her these bed risers that have outlets in them, so she can charge her phone, she can plug in a lamp, or whatever electrical needs she may have. Typically, I prefer comforters over duvets, but for a dorm room, a duvet is the way to go, because 9 times out of 10, a dorm room washing machine is not going to be big enough to wash a comforter, and it's college. People are gonna be sitting on your bed, you're gonna pull an all-nighter or two, there's gonna be snacks involved, and you need to wash that comforter. So a duvet is the way to go, and I got her this really cute one from Target, which kind of inspired the rest of the room. This next trick is one of my favorites. It's a Pinterest classic. You can use a sheer curtain and some string lights to create a canopy headboard situation. I used a small curtain rod and some removable wall hooks to hang up the curtain behind the bed, and then I put some string lights between the sheer curtain and the wall, and boom, we've got a really cute canopy headboard that also doubles as perfect accent lighting. Moving on to the lounge area, that navy blue couch was just not it. So all I did was get a big blanket, stretch it over the couch, and tuck it in. It totally transformed this couch, and now it matches the rest of the room. I also did sort of the same thing on the desk chair. I just folded up a blanket and put it on the back to make it cohesive with the rest of the room. For some extra seating, I opted for floor cushions. These ones were the perfect color. I could not say no. They're easy to put away when you don't want them, take them out when you do. Another item I got that can serve as extra seating is this ottoman. Not only is it extra seating, but it's also gonna double as her nightstand, and it's also gonna triple as some extra storage. This is a tip that I use pretty much anytime I'm decorating any space, because I always forget to bring a level. I don't know, when you're packing for a whole makeover or moving into a dorm room, the last thing you're thinking about is bringing a level, but you can actually just download a leveling app on your phone. My mind was blown when I found this out, so I need to share it with anybody who will listen. Finally, one little last piece of decor. I gave Yumi this wire organizer. Personally, I love collecting little mementos, notes, pictures, and I can definitely make a cluttered mess for myself, which is why I need to have a designated area for putting mementos. Otherwise, they're just gonna be all over the room looking really messy. Now it's time to show Yumi her dorm room. Let's see if she liked it. Take a look.
Oh my God! Oh my God, it's so pretty! Oh my God, thank you! I love it! Wow!
Do you?
The colors are amazing!
were so
Thank
sweet.
you.
Thank you for letting us come over. Really, it's been so fun doing this, and it's totally made me want to go back to school, so I'm very jealous. So live it up this year.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my gosh.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, quick little plug, I'm currently casting for a full season of Spacelift. If you don't know, I host a show called Spacelift where I make over people's spaces based on their social media accounts. It's a lot of fun, big room makeovers, the whole shebang, and I'm looking for people who need a room makeover. We're doing offices, backyards, bedrooms, closets, anything you can think of. All those casting forms are in the description, so fill them out and also tag me in a picture on Instagram of your space, and who knows, you might just get a room makeover out of it. Like this video, subscribe to the Nifty channel, fill out a casting form if you're interested, and I'll see you next time. Bye.